Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use virtual card on Revolut. So at first you have to go to the top right corner where you can see a card logo. Click it. As you can see in the bottom there is a add new option. You can add it from there, but now in update the theme got changed, so this is the new theme. You can just click get card on the top left corner there and then click on virtual card. So as you can see, you can select your card color from here. So I'm just going with the green and press the get virtual card for free. After this we have to enter our card name, so I give my name as a test card. So this is how you can create a virtual card. As you can see in the display that there is a test card appearing. So if we click on the test card, we will see there is no transaction yet, so we can just simply click on the button on the bottom, add to Apple Wallet, and if you are using Android it will show that add to Google Pay. So here you will see your name and the last four digit of your number. So if you click on next, you will see some terms and condition and you have to agree on it. And now this digital Revolut card was added to Apple Pay, so now you can use this as a default card. So this will mean that every time that you are gonna double click on right, it's gonna be the first card to pay. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.